In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Kartra affiliate link. By the end, you'll know exactly where your key links live inside Kartra and how to use them confidently. Start by signing in and opening your Kartra dashboard. This is your home base where all of your products, pages, and sales tools are organized. On the left-hand side, look for the Sales section. Click it to expand the sales tools available to you. Next, choose Products. This is where every product you've created in Kartra is listed. Find the product you want to promote and open it. If you have multiple items, pick the exact one you're currently running traffic to, so the links you grab match the right offer and price point. Inside the product settings, switch over to the links area. This is the hub for all URLs related to your product. You'll see a few important pieces here. First, the link to your checkout. This is the direct URL that sends people to your product's checkout page. It's the most common link you'll share in emails, buttons, and promotions, and it ensures buyers land exactly where they can complete their purchase. You'll also see tracking links. These are variations of your main link that include tracking parameters. Use them to differentiate traffic sources, such as ads, social posts, or partners. Adding clean descriptive tags will help you understand which campaigns convert best without changing the destination. Finally, you'll notice embed code options. If you want to place your checkout or buttons on an external site, copy the embed code and paste it into your page builder or website. This keeps the Kartra checkout experience intact while letting you control the surrounding page design. Before sharing anything publicly, click each link and test it. Confirm the page loads correctly, the price and product name are correct, and that any tracking tags appear as expected. Keep your links organized, label them clearly, and revisit this links area whenever you update offers or run new campaigns. That's it. Your affiliate and promotional links are all in one place, ready to use.